Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to apply video effects on your Edits Instagram app. So if you've recently been editing your videos on the new Edits Instagram app and you want to apply video effects onto the media that you select on your timeline, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Edits and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to make sure you're on the project tab here, which is the center button at the bottom. Now here you want to go ahead and create a new project. Go ahead and select your media and then tap on add. Now here I'll show you two ways where you can add video effects to your media. So the first one is your photo. So here in my timeline, I have the photo. So to add video effects to this photo, I'll go ahead and select it in my timeline. Then at the bottom here, I'll go ahead and find effects, which looks like that. Now I can go ahead and apply the effect. So the blurring effect, steady in, handful, handheld, flicker, the hue shift, exposure, steady out, white frame, blur out, or a grid. So once I'm happy with the effect, I'll go ahead and tap on the tick. And that video effect has now been applied to my photo in my timeline. Now for video, I can go ahead and select that video in the timeline. And at the bottom here, I need to go ahead and find the effect button, which looks like that. From here, I'll go ahead and select the effect which I require. So these are the same effects which you find on the photos. Now, once you're happy, tap on the tick. And now the effect has been applied onto your photo and your video in the timeline on the Edits Instagram app. So there you go guys, that is how to apply the video effect on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.